What's going on, everyone? So I was sent this from a brand to do a review on this trading card game, or not really trading card game, I guess just trading cards. And this is Goddess Story NS-10. I believe that is what they told me. So I'm very curious to see what's in here. Yeah. All right. Nice little packs in here. So let's see. Well, it looks like these are some spicy waifu cards. CR. Oh, that's cool. SSR. That's a cool card. Alright, so what I'm going to do, guys, is I'm going to open up all these packs and stack the cards and then show you guys the hits. Well, I'll show you guys all the cards. SR. I think we're going to put like the... Okay, now that we went through them all and opened them up, we can show you guys. So there's our SR. There's our SR. SR. The SRs are nice. There's a R rare. SCR. Okay. SR. So as a card collector, you know, these are nice. I mean, for what they are, you know, some people might take offense to some of the cards, saying, you know, they might be, I mean, they're fire. You know, inappropriate or whatever. But there's thousands and thousands of different trading cards out there that are like this. So this isn't something new to me. I've seen these cards all over the place, and there's plenty of cards much worse than these. But I can see how some people might think, you know, hey, they're a little bad, at least some of the cards, like that one maybe. But, you know, as a card collector, like, this is fire. Like, if in person, the colors are fire. Oh my word. Some cool cards. If you guys want to see a card longer, just pause the video. Trying to go through there. You get a quite a lot of cards. And I'm loving the variety of, like, the different cards too. I think that's a double. Now that looks like a Pokemon. That looks like a Pokemon. Wow. So yeah, that is I believe it's Goddess Story NS-10, I believe is the name. Hopefully I'm saying that right.